Hi folks, welcome back. So in this video I will do something a bit different than what I do usually. That is an unboxing video. I am not very fan or fond of unboxing video because I find this a bit boring, but the truth is the following, is that I am repeating a lot the fact that I am more and more impressed by the quality of the deliveries of K&F Concept. So by now you may know that I am kind of an ambassador of the brand K&F Concept, so I'm receiving some stuff from them and I'm able to do some review of it. In this case I have received a filter kit, a squared filter kit of a 100mm filter. That is an ND filter or 3 stops, so an ND 1000. And the thing is the following, is that I wanted to share with you why I say that the quality is increasing and is going more and more in the premium side from the company K&F Concept. Fact is, so in this package we got the filter itself, okay, it's 100mm square filter, and the filter holder and the ring adapters, okay. The thing is the following, is that I have received, I don't know when was that, more than 1 year ago, I suppose that is 1 year and a half or something like that. I had received, because I wanted that, their filter that is a soft graduated ND filter, okay. So it was 100 by 150mm, and it needed the filter holder too, because I didn't have any filter holder. And the thing is that I had received that, everything in this package, directly like this. Everything was in this pouch, plastic pouch, and it was like that. So when you compare, so you have the rings here, you have the filter holder here, and you got your filter here. And when you see that, it's obvious that the company is now increasing its value. I mean, this is really good, because you got the two stuff in a package of one, okay, and everything fits totally perfectly here. You see that it's a bit, yeah, a big mix and match. I don't know how to say that, but yeah, that shows that they have gone a step forward in the premium value, and I will show you even more how it is true. So when we got here, we open here. So I take this box here. So the box is the carton box has a little magnet here. So you see, you can easily open and close. We find our filter holder. So the filter holder itself has 2 slots. Okay, it's not changing from the previous one. It has 2 slots, and in the first one you will put the filter that is the strongest for you, and then you will be able to put in the second one the graduated filter. So let's see this out. Here you got a box. In your box, of course, you got your ring adapters, okay. Concerning the ring adapters, there are a lot of them, from 49, if I remember, yeah, from 49mm until 82mm. So for me that's good, because I have a bunch of lenses with different filter thread. The only thing is that I have a lot of lenses with a filter thread of 55, and there is not any ring adapter of 55mm, so I will send my feedback to the company about this, because I would like them to make a ring adapter of 55mm. So now let's go to see what's going on in this box, because that is where the premium value is even more visible. So you got the same packages with a magnet, okay? But yeah, so you see that? You got the instructions, you open it, and you have this thing that is helping you to get out your glass. So that's cool. That's pretty neat actually, because otherwise you have to pinch it and try to get it with your hands, and it will be dirty and so on. So that's very cool. So the glass itself, so as I said, this one is a ND 3 stops, so it's an ND 1000, 100 by 100. As I have already reviewed the ND subgraduated 100 by 150, I already know that the glass itself is good quality, but I will do a full review, of course, of this glass as soon as the weather will let me do it, because here it's very, very rainy now, so it's not very interesting for me to go outside for the moment. And what I find even more surprising, what has really surprised me, is that they provide a little booklet that is illustrated and credited by the photographer, created for the photographer who has done the picture, so that's cool. Here too, you see. And it has a lot of languages actually. Of course it has Chinese, because it's in Chinese, English, German, Japanese, French, that's awesome, French, Italian, and Castellano Espanol. So that's very cool. So you see that the thing is the following, is that I have started with this brand more than a year ago, and I can tell you that, and that is what I've seen and what I've said in many of my previous reviews, being a tripod or being some filters. I have to say that I know that they are on their way to become a real premium company now. So they are adding good value now for their stuff, and that's, for me, it's obvious. We will see. I will show you when I will do the review of the filter itself that the filter won't have any issues like color cast or loss of your sharpness or of the sharpness of the image. I really don't know it, because I have some of their filters, but in a circular, and I will be able to make any comparison with my circular filter at the same time. So I'm very pleased by this kit, and you will find, of course, a link to have a promotion or a discount on it if you want. And yeah, so stay tuned, because I will have to do I will do the video of the review of this thing in the field. Fact is that now it's still raining, so today it's not possible, but that will be coming soon. So stay tuned, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I know it's an unboxing. Myself, I'm not very fond of unboxing. Just that I wanted to do it to show you how they have improved their packaging, and how they are adding some good value, some premium good value to their stuff. Thank you very much, guys, and see you soon.